Welcome. If you want to change the notification settings in your KYOCERA DuraForce Pro, for the first you have to open the settings. Right now tap on the sound and notification. Let's scroll down. And right here tap on the app notifications. And for example, if you got a lot of notifications from your browser or any other application, maybe from the Facebook, you can enter here, and when you tap right here you will block all of the notifications. You can also adjust it. For example, you can turn off the picking. So that's how you can change the notifications for a very application that you got here on this list. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!